Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the footprints on my heart bracelet. This quick and easy bracelet is the perfect gift for Mother's Day. So let's take a look at the products and tools we'll need to make it. For this project, I will be using the Expandable Charm Bangle bracelet. I'm going to be using a 16mm Amethyst drop charm by TierraCast, a 15 by 12 millimeter sterling silver baby footprints charm, and then a 17 by 5 sterling silver vertical mom charm. And then I have 5mm 20 gauge open jump rings that I'll use to attach the charms to my bangle bracelet. As you can see, the drop charms come in many crystal colors, so it'll be easy for you to customize your bracelet. For my tools, I will just be using 2 chain nose pliers. You can find links to all these beads and supplies in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick up a 5mm jump ring. And I'm just going to go ahead and open it by pulling one side towards me and one side away from me with my 2 chain nose pliers. Then I'm going to slide on my little amethyst charm. And I'm choosing to put my charms in the expandable part here of the bracelet, but you could also put them back here too, however you would like to do your bracelet. So just go ahead and attach it to the bracelet and then gently close your jump ring. So I've got the first charm on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the mom charm. And as you can see, the sterling silver charm, it already has a little jump ring on there. But I want to use the 5mm, the smaller jump rings, to have a nice uniform size on everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this jump ring. And then I'm going to attach a 5mm jump ring to it. And then I'm going to attach it to the bangle bracelet. And then the same thing with the footprint charm here. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the jump ring that's already on there. Set that aside. And I'm going to use my 5mm jump ring to attach it to the bangle. Just make sure that your feet are facing forward when you put it on there. Same with your mom's not so bad because it's like it says the same thing on both sides, but your footprint's only on one side there. Oops. Attach it to the bangle. Can't really see that there with the guy in the way. And then close it. And now you have this really cute, quick and easy Mother's Day design that you can customize for any birthstone color you like, or add charms that would fit your mom. You can find all the products and tools for this inspiration design at fusionbeads.com.